Story 20. A king with some of his courtiers had, during a hunting party and in the winter season, strayed far from inhabited places, but when the night set in, he perceived the house of a dehqan and said, "We shall spend the night there to avoid the injury of the cold." One of the viziers, however, objected, alleging that it was unworthy of the high dignity of a padshah to take revenge in the house of a dehqan, and that it would be best to pitch tents and to light fires on the spot. The dehqan, who had become aware of what was taking place, prepared some food he had ready in his house, offered it, kissed the ground of service, and said, "The high dignity of the Sultan would not have been so much lowered, but the courtiers did not wish the dignity of the dehqan to become high." The king, who was pleased with these words, moved for the night into the man's house and bestowed a dress of honor upon him the next morning. When he accompanied the king a few paces at the departure, he was heard to say, "Nothing was lost of the Sultan's power and pomp by accepting the hospitality of a dehqan, but the corner of the dehqan's cap reached the sun, when a sultan such as thou overshadowed his head." And, what does it mean for somebody to overshadow another, right? Or these other gestures and stuff, right? But more than other texts, it would have been nice to have translations of some of these terms, because I don't think that occurs anywhere with this. Well, what I manipulated the graphic from, that bilingual edition, I don't know about, but I'm sharing the Sir Edwin Arnold translation. And see, the dude died in 1904, so it's definitely within rights to even non-comment sharing.